Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of compact drones with a head-to-head comparison, the DJI Mini 3 Pro versus the Autel Evo Lite Plus. These two drones pack powerful features into a small form factor, but which one is truly the best in 2025? Let's find out. Let's start with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This drone is a major upgrade from its predecessors, offering a 48 megapixel camera that shoots 4K video at 60 FPS, ensuring that you get stunningly crisp visuals. It also features 10-bit color depth, meaning your footage has more vibrant colors and richer details. The Mini 3 Pro is equipped with tri-directional obstacle sensors, offering advanced safety while flying. Its improved flight time can reach up to 34 minutes on a single charge, and it's also ultra-light, making it easier to travel with. DJI's OcuSync 3.0 transmission system ensures a reliable connection with a range of 12 kilometers. Plus, with its smart features like focus track and true vertical shooting, the Mini 3 Pro is perfect for both professional creators and casual flyers. Now let's take a look at the Autel Evo Lite Plus. This drone also comes with a 50 megapixel camera and shoots 6K video at 30 fps, giving you incredible image quality. The soaked 1-inch CMOS sensor allows it to capture more light, which is perfect for shooting in low light conditions. The Evo Lite Plus offers a max flight time of 40 minutes, which is slightly longer than the Mini 3 Pro, and it features omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, ensuring a safe flight in all directions. The Autel Skylink transmission system gives you a reliable range of 12 kilometers as well. Additionally, the Evo Lite Plus has a more customizable flight experience, with intelligent flight modes like Sky Portrait, Dynamic Track, and Cruise Control. So, what sets these two apart? The DJI Mini 3 Pro excels with its advanced obstacle sensors, superior video features, and compact size, making it a top choice for content creators who need versatility and smooth footage. The Autel Evo Lite Plus, on the other hand, shines with its higher resolution camera, better low-light performance, and longer flight time, making it great for those who prioritize image quality and extended flight sessions. Which one would you choose for your next aerial adventure? Do you prefer the DJI Mini 3 Pro for its advanced safety features and color-rich video? Or the Autel Evo Lite Plus for its impressive camera specs and flight time? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more comparisons like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.